Hey guys, this is just a quick video on how to fit your G2 Hobbywing system onto your PnwRcMadness carbon fiber electronics caddy. First thing I did was mask it off. Then I found the holes that mount the ESC. Now if you look, there's two holes here, two holes here. I marked them. It went 13 millimeters forward on the chassis. They're exactly 45 millimeters apart. So if you measure the bottom of your Max 5, you're going to notice that they are 45 millimeters apart. That puts your ESC approximately this far away from your receiver box. Your next step is you're going to want to cut into this top plate in between these two mounting screws for the top plate that holds the ESC. Now you can either trace it and use the dividend on this side of the receiver box and this side of the receiver box, or you can measure it yourself, but mine seats right in there perfectly, and it moves the screw holes approximately 4.8 millimeters to the back or to the front of the ESC tray, and that's what you want, so you have enough room for your motor. It gives your motor about 2.5 millimeters approximately from your receiver box, and that's how I did it. Now make sure once you mock it up that you countersink your screws. You're going to want to use some dial calipers or digital calipers to measure your spots. Mock it up before you do your countersinking and you should be fine. That's exactly how I did mine, and mine fits perfect. And the masking tape is so you don't chip your carbon fiber when you cut it or drill it. So make sure you're using masking tape, that way you don't mess up anything on your carbon fiber tray. All right, thank you very much.